Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys oppo mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys oppo mobile guys app lock setting. And today video title guys, how to lock and unlock apps in oppo mobile. Friends, you want to lock any app, you want to set password on your app. Example friends, you want to lock your Instagram app, you want to lock your Snapchat, phone setting, photos app, any app friends you want to lock in your device. And how to lock app, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface. So friends, scroll it and friends open your phone privacy setting. After on privacy setting friends, click here app lock and click here setting, and friends select password type. First of all, pattern, pin, 4 to 16 digit pin and alphanumeric password. Friends, I will use pattern lock, and friends I will draw this pattern. So after draw pattern friends, remember your password and remember your security question. It is very important for you. Friends, I will enter mobile. After enter mobile, and friends you can enter your name also. So friends, click here right click here, and which app you want to lock, select your app. So friends, I want to lock my Gmail app, Google app and Instagram app. I will lock Snapchat and Telegram, YouTube app. So friends, you can check when I will on YouTube app. So when I have password on YouTube app, so when I will enter password, when I will draw pattern, I can unlock YouTube app and I can use it. So like that friends, you can lock app and you can use it. And friends, you can check this app is unlocked, YT Studio app is unlocked, because guys I didn't lock YT Studio app. And friends, you can check Instagram app is locked, Telegram app is locked, file and Gmail app and Google app is locked. And friends, you want to unlock app, so friends open your phone search option and then search here app setting, app lock, click here, enter your app lock password, draw app lock pattern, and friends click here app lock setting. Which app friends you have locked, you can unlock from here. After unlock app friends, you want to lock new app, so you can lock. Example friends, Chrome app is unlocked, so I will lock Chrome app. Facebook app, file app, game app, I will lock. So friends, you can check Instagram, YouTube app, this app is unlocked. And friends, when I will on Chrome app, file app is locked. So like that way you can lock and you can unlock app in your mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.